Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're doing a focused deep dive into the Boots Advantage card.
Right.
We're looking at how you sign up, sure, but also the strategic perks and steps, all based on a recent online guide.
Mm-hmm.
Our mission, really, is to pull out the most useful bits for you quickly.
Mm.
And the source starts with a pretty big claim
Which is?
that signing up online is just, well, significantly easier and gets you going faster than doing it in-store. Instant utility is the idea.
Yeah, that makes sense. Efficiency is everything in loyalty programs now. Minimizing friction, getting you onboarded fast.
So they can start collecting data faster.
Exactly. It accelerates that whole process.
Okay, so how do they actually make it so smooth? What are the steps?
Well, you start, as you'd expect, on the Advantage Card page on their website.
Right.
Then you either sign into your existing Boots.com account, if you have one, or, you create a new one.
Pretty standard so far. Just basic details needed. Name, email.
That's it initially. Name, email. Then you hit this sort of fork in the road. They ask if you already have a plastic card.
Ah, okay. What happens then?
Well, this is where it's quite clever. If you do have an old plastic one, you need to pop in the 12-digit number from the back to link it.
Okay.
But, and this is the key bit for new people, if you don't have one, they issue the digital card right there, instantly.
Instantly, like ready to use.
Yep. You get a confirmation email and boom, your digital card is active. You can start collecting points straight away.
Wow. Okay. So they're really pushing that immediate digital access.
Yeah.
No waiting for a card in the post.
Precisely. It's about getting you into their ecosystem immediately.
Right.
Instant digital utility first.
That instant access is phase one, clearly. But loyalty needs retention, right? How does the guide say they keep people engaged using those points?
The core benefit is simple, really. Points add up quickly, and you can use them to pay for stuff, fully or just partly. Total flexibility.
Right?
But the guide really emphasizes the app. Downloading the Boots app apparently makes life even easier.
How so? Is it just like a digital version of the card?
It is, but it's more than that. It keeps the card on your phone, obviously, so you always have it. You collect points, redeem rewards.
Okay.
But critically, the app gives you access to exclusive, often personalized offers, things you wouldn't get otherwise.
Ah, so that's the hook. Personalized deals. How do you get them?
Simple. In-store, you just show the offer on your app at the checkout. Online, you just need to make sure your card is linked and you're logged in.
And the source mentions these offers are quite specific, aren't they? Not just generic discounts.
Exactly. They seem to be segmenting quite heavily. You've got special prices just for cardholders in general.
Uh-huh.
Then there are specific student discounts if you qualify.
Right. Targeting that demographic.
And also extra rewards aimed at people over 60. Often things like, pharmacy items or wellness products. It's smart targeting.
Very targeted. So, okay, let's recap. Signing up is smooth, seems very quick, focused on getting you that digital card instantly.
Yep, immediate activation.
Then they keep you engaged using the app, mainly through these hyper-targeted offers based on who you are, students over 60s.
Exactly. My main takeaway from the guide is seeing that clear strategic shift. It's less about managing physical cards and all about instant digital connection. They've engineered the friction right out.
Yeah, getting you generating that valuable data for them from day one.
Pretty much.
That instant utility plus the tailored incentives.
Yeah.
It does sound like a compelling system.
It really does. And, thinking about that tiered approach, the students, the over 60s, the general offers, it makes you wonder.
Wonder what?
Well, which one of those targeted perks do you think actually drives the most initial signups for a program like this? Is it the promise of immediate general use, or is it those really specific future savings for, say, students? Something to think about next time you see one of these loyalty offers.